Today we're going to review the Bondic liquid plastic welder kit. It's basically like super glue on steroids, but it's not super glue. It can literally fix anything in seconds. Basically, it's got a liquid component that then dries only with UV light. So it makes it very easy to apply on whatever you're attempting to fix without it instantly locking up on you like super glue. Once you know that you get it all right and move the liquid around, only then do you apply the light, and only then does that UV light actually bond whatever you're stitching back together. It's basically great for fixing electrical connections, USB cords, can do tent repairs, zipper repairs, broken pipe, shoes, any two materials that need to be bonded back together, this can do. You know, this is a great product. It's not that expensive. It's definitely something that is now going to be part of my camping kits. Just something I keep on my desk. I was able to actually patch up my jacket with this. I had a down jacket that had a little feather spring loose, and instead of trying to worry about stitching it up, I just used a little Bondic on it and glued it back together. So that's a great thing about this, is it gives you kind of new things that in the past might not be repairable are now repairable. It really is like liquid welding. Like they say, it's not really exactly super glue. It's more like bonding two things together. So highly recommend it. There's really no con to this. You just have to, with some trial and error, figure out what it's going to work on and what it's not going to work on. And that's it.